Hello everyone! Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of joints. A joint is the part of the body where two or more bones meet to allow movement. Kids, there are different types of joints. Depending on type of movement they allow. First hinge joint, then ball and socket joint, and last is pivot joints. As you can see, 3 types of joints in this picture. Let's learn about hinge joints. These joints act like a door hinge and help us bend our arms and legs. Hinge joints allow movement in only one direction, like bending and straightening. This type of movement is also known as flexion and extension. Examples are elbows and knees. Here is picture of hinge joint. Next is ball and socket joints. These joints let us move our arms and legs in big circles. Ball and socket joints allow movement in multiple directions, like bending, straightening, moving away from the body, moving toward the body, circular movement, and rotation. Example are shoulders and hips joints. Last is pivot joints. These joints let us turn our heads from side to side. Pivot joints allow rotational movement around a central axis, such as turning or twisting. Example is neck. Kids, do you know the function of joints? Function of joints are movement, support, protection of organs, and shock absorption. If you liked my video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and do share with family and friends.